Scale chunk 11 introduces two different types of articulation, tenuto and staccato. Tenuto notes are marked with a horizontal line, and to play them, you really want to focus on sustaining each note for its full value and playing very connected. A staccato note is marked with a dot, and that translates as separation between each staccato note. One thing to think about with staccato is that it does not mean accent at the beginning. It just means a little bit of separation at the end of the note. Here is silver chunk number 11, and again in this one we're going to use the register key as we go up to our higher notes.